Sit back and relax in the comfort of your home. Amana.
Hi, welcome to our show, Lifestyles of the Cool and Cozy.
Brought to you by the great folks at Amana Brand Heating and Air Conditioning. I'm Olivia Perez.
And I'm Tim Baldwin.
And we're hitting the road to find homeowners who have questions about the things that heat and cool their homes.
And today, we have a bit of a surprise stop.
Oh, I love surprises.
Some surprises are good and some are not, like when your HVAC breaks without warning.
I don't like those kind of surprises.
But it's okay. Call your local independent Amana Brand dealer. It's exactly what Jennifer and James did. We found out and we asked if we could tag along.
Yeah.
All right, well, let's go.
Let's go.
Hey, look who's here.
Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to see you guys.
So, Jennifer, I hear not only do you have some great questions about installing a new HVAC system, but you also wrote them down on a list.
Oh, good.
I'm just glad she finally made a list for someone that's not me.
Actually, some of these questions I only need to ask because we love watching your show.
Oh, that makes my day. Let's take a look at the list.
That's a pretty thorough list.
Only missing one thing.
Wait, Jennifer forgot something?
Yep, financing.
Ooh, Amana Brand dealers offer that too?
You bet. There are plans available, and he can tell you all about them.
Okay, oh wow.
We'll let him take it from here. Here we go.
Look, see?
So today, we learned that not all surprises are good.
Which is why Amana offers comfortable financing plans.
So if you suddenly find yourself needing to install a new HVAC system, your Amana Brand dealer likely has a plan that will maximize your home's comfort and minimize your monthly costs.
Now that's the kind of surprise I love.
Amana.